In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue many of us face: Microsoft Outlook's slow loading problem. If you've been experiencing delays every time you try to access your emails, follow along as I guide you through a few simple steps to resolve this issue. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and go directly to the Outlook login page on Microsoft 365. Once there, the next step will be to click on the Sign In button. This action is straightforward but crucial, as it sets the foundation for any adjustments we'll be making within Outlook. Now that you're signed in, we need to navigate to the Outlook homepage. This is where you'll find the core elements of your email account, such as your inbox, sent emails, and many other features we'll optimize. On the home screen, you'll want to locate the Settings icon. It typically resembles a gear and is often found at the top corner of your page. Clicking on Settings opens another dimension of functionalities and preferences you can tailor to improve the speed and performance of your Outlook account. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to find and select the Mail section. This area is particularly relevant because it encompasses all settings directly tied to your email operations, including what's causing any potential delays. Once you're in the Mail settings, look for an option titled Customize Actions. Clicking on Customize Actions is key for tweaking how Outlook behaves and responds to find that optimum speed. These adjustments will not only change how Outlook loads, but also help it operate more efficiently. Remember, cleaning up unnecessary actions and streamlining key operations can make a world of difference to how quickly you can access your email content. In summary, addressing Outlook's slow loading issue requires navigating to the Outlook login, signing in, and heading to your homepage. From there, dive into Settings, follow with Mail, and then fine-tune your account under Customize Actions. By methodically following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your email's loading speed. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a comment below, share the video with others who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-savvy solutions. Have a fantastic day and enjoy a much smoother Outlook experience.